Hi, I'm Robin with threesmom.com, and we are making a video today for expertvillage.com. We are crocheting wire to make a Gothic bracelet. You saw me earlier putting out my beads all along the front of the bracelet so I know right where I'm going to place them on my bracelet. This is what we've gotten so far, and we are taking the wire through the back of the bracelet, pulling it towards the front. On this first one, we're going to add a black bead, then a skull, and then a black bead. So we do the black bead, we do the skull, make sure that it's facing up, or if you want it facing upside down, it's up to you. And then another black bead. Bringing the wire through to the back of the bracelet, and it's just going to attach like that. You can use black beads, you can use silver ones, or red, and it makes it, you can choose any colors that you want to make the type of look that you would like. And we're just going to do this all the way across the bracelet.